the simple human tension arm standing paper towel. Holder is a high-quality product that offers both functionality and aesthetics. Made from durable stainless steel, this paper towel holder is built to last and withstand daily use. One of the standout features of this product is its sleek brushed stainless steel finish. Not only does it add a touch of elegance to any kitchen or countertop, but it also complements a wide range of interior styles. Whether you have a modern or traditional kitchen, this paper towel holder will seamlessly fit into your space. In terms of design, the tension arm of this standing paper towel holder ensures that tearing off a paper towel is effortless and hassle-free. The arm provides enough resistance to allow for easy, one-handed tearing, while at the same time preventing the roll from unraveling or tearing off more sheets than desired. With this product, you can say goodbye to frustrating paper towel wastage. The countertop mounting type further enhances.
The ChefCraft Select Plastic Paper Towel Holder is a versatile and functional addition to any kitchen. Made from sturdy plastic, this paper towel holder is designed to hold and dispense paper towels effortlessly. One of the standout features of this product is its simple yet elegant design. The white color seamlessly blends with most kitchen decor, while the sleek silhouette adds a touch of modernity to the space. The ChefCraft brand is well known for its commitment to quality, and this paper towel holder is no exception. The mounting type of this product is ideal for countertops and surfaces, making it easy to place wherever it's most convenient in your kitchen. With dimensions of 12.5 L into 3.5 W, it is compact enough to fit in small spaces, while still accommodating standard-sized paper towel rolls. The ChefCraft Select Plastic Paper Towel Holder is not only aesthetically pleasing but also highly functional. The design ensures stability while tearing off paper towels.
The OXO Good Grips Steady Paper Towel Holder is a well-designed and functional kitchen accessory, crafted with high-quality stainless steel. This paper towel holder not only provides durability, but also adds a touch of elegance to your countertop. The gray color of the holder complements various kitchen decors, making it a versatile choice for any home. The sleek design and compact size of 8.1 L into 7.8 W ensure that it doesn't take up too much space on your countertop. One of the standout features of this paper towel holder is its steady base. The surface mount allows for secure placement, preventing any unnecessary movement or toppling over. You can comfortably pull a sheet of paper towel with one hand, thanks to the friction-ready arm that keeps the roll in place. The OXO brand is known for its attention to detail and user-friendly products, and this paper towel holder stays true to that reputation. The sturdy build ensures that it can withstand regular use.
The Simple Human Wall Mount Paper Towel Holder is an exceptional product that offers convenience and durability, constructed with high-quality stainless steel. This paper towel holder is built to last. Its sleek stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen or space where it is mounted. With a versatile mounting design, the Simple Human Wall Mount Paper Towel Holder can be easily placed on a tabletop or mounted on a wall to suit individual preferences and space constraints. This flexibility ensures that it can be seamlessly integrated into any environment, whether it is a busy kitchen or a compact workspace. One of the standout features of this product is its compact size. With product dimensions of 4.9 L into 13.1 W, it is designed to maximize space efficiency without compromising functionality. This makes it an ideal choice for those with limited countertop or wall space. In terms of functionality, the Simple Human Wall Mount Paper Towel Holder excels. It securely holds
The OXO Good Grip Simply Tier Paper Towel Holder is a reliable and sturdy addition to any kitchen or workplace. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this paper towel holder offers both durability and a sleek, professional appearance. Its silver and black color scheme adds a touch of modern elegance to any space. The combination of stainless steel and the contrasting black accents creates a visually appealing design that fits seamlessly into any decor. With its floor mounting type, this paper towel holder stays securely in place, preventing any accidental spills or messes. Whether you're using it in your kitchen, bathroom, or workshop, you can trust that it will remain stable and functional. Despite its solid construction, The OXO Good Grip Simply Tier paper towel holder is surprisingly lightweight at just 1.2 pounds. This makes it easy to move and reposition as needed without any hassle. Measuring at 12.99 inches in length and 7.09 inches in width, the product dimensions,